Grilled asparagus. So my dad always during the holidays makes this smoked salmon dip. And one time I put asparagus through it and I was like, yup, reinventing it, making it again. So this is epic grilled asparagus with a smoked salmon dip. So the base for it is obviously cream cheese, but then to lighten it up and make it nice and fresh for the asparagus, a couple shots of sour cream. I love the tang in sour cream. It goes great with the salmon and the asparagus. But you want to have some base and some body in there. Put a shot of mayo in it. And to kick it up and complement the asparagus and the salmon, this is my little secret. Just a shot of horseradish, and then to finish it, some garlic powder. Not a lot, but just a little kiss of it is kind of like a sweet, powerful garlic flavor, and it just kind of brings the whole thing together. Then a shot of lemon, because asparagus and salmon both love lemon, so don't be shy, just a nice squeeze of lemon. And I put a little bit of salt and pepper in it, not too much. You just want to season kind of the wet stuff. The salmon is already nice and salty, so just a couple twists of pepper, and that's perfect. Put some nice smoked salmon in. All right, perfect. Super simple. That's why I love it. Give it a spin. All right, that's awesome. So there's one little thing I put in here, and that's some fresh dill. I don't put it in at the beginning because it'll turn the cream cheese and the mayo green. But if you just finish with the lemon and then a pop of fragrant dill, it's perfect. It's nice and seasoned. I put the lid back on, and then one more pulse. Peace. Finish. Give her a test. It's delicious. That's gonna be so good with asparagus that can chill out. For the asparagus, I'm pretty simple. Just take the asparagus. There's a lot of woody ends there that you don't want to eat. This is what I like to do. Just punch it down, get them all level, and you can break them off if you want, but I know asparagus pretty well. You can just chop off the dead ends and then into a bowl. And I keep the seasoning super simple. A shot of olive oil, and then just a little salt and pepper. That's really all you need for asparagus. Plus, that dip is ridiculously tasty. All right, everybody loves turkey and the gravy, but when it comes to the sides, that's where I like to have a lot of fun. Nice high heat. This is one crazy side that I love. The grilled asparagus with the smoked salmon dip. And it's easy to plate it up. Just some fresh lemon, because lemon and the salmon and asparagus are so delicious together. And to brighten up the day, some fresh dill in there. It looks pretty, and dill and asparagus and char marks and lemon are delicious. So this is what I do. You pick up your asparagus, you dip it into the smoked salmon dip, and bombs away. It's so good. The smoked salmon dip is so bright, so refreshing, with all of the lemon and the dill in there, the cream cheese, the horseradish. It's the perfect partner for asparagus.